In this video I'll be showing you how I clean my fermenters and kegs after use, using a popular and very cheap cleaning agent that not many people know about. I use a product called sodium percarbonate to clean all my brewery equipment. Using sodium percarbonate with hot 50 degrees Celsius water helps the active ingredient in the granular cleaner to soak into dried-on yeast and proteins. Then the fizzing action works to lift scum and grime away from stainless steel and food-grade plastic surfaces, leaving them clean. Using it minimizes the need to scrub all but the hardest of dried-on proteins. What is sodium percarbonate? Well, sodium percarbonate is a cheap-to-buy, granular cleaner. It is the main ingredient in many popular scented household laundry cleaners, such as OxiClean. Many homebrew suppliers sell sodium percarbonate. Sodium percarbonate is a mix of washing soda, also called sodium carbonate or soda ash, and dry hydrogen peroxide. When mixed with hot water it creates a highly effective, non-toxic cleaner. Being water-soluble means that it breaks down to water and oxygen over the course of around 24 hours. Sodium peroxide is the active ingredient that reacts with hot water and creates the fizzing action as it releases oxygen molecules, breaking up dirt on contact. How do I use sodium percarbonate? Using it is easy. Fill the container that you want to clean with hot water and add 3 to 4 teaspoons of sodium percarbonate granules. Give the granules a good stir or shake to dissolve them, creating an active cleaning solution. Disclaimer: please remember that brewery chemicals can be corrosive. Hot sodium percarbonate solutions are dangerous. Always wear protective clothing including gloves and glasses to protect yourself from splashes, heat, and exposure to harmful chemicals. Here you can see the sodium percarbonate solution starting to fizz. To clean the beer outline of this Kegland half keg size 25L kegmenter, I add the solution, put the lid and triclover fitting on and shake the keg to soak the inside and create some pressure inside the keg. Then I attach a broken party tap that I use to clean the beer lines in my kegs. You can see the solution exiting the tap. This means there's now cleaner in the silicone beer line. I then leave the solution to do its job for around 30 minutes. Shaking the keg a few times to keep the surfaces wetted. I then empty the solution or use it to clean more equipment and rinse several times with clean water. Rinse out the beer line with clean water. Add a sanitizer and use a small amount of CO2 to push the sanitizer out through the beer line to ensure it is sanitary for the next use.